Office 2010 Complex Functions 1. In this clip, we're going to have a look at the nested if function. The simple if statement that we used earlier allowed you to display one of two results. If, however, you need to test more than two conditions, you'll have to use the nested if statement. In this example, we're going to assign a level 1, 2, 3, or 4, to the members of a book club according to how many books they have reviewed throughout the year. So here's our table that we're going to be working according to, and usually this will be in your exam paper and not necessarily in your spreadsheet itself. Okay, so let's have a look here. We've got 0 to 5 books. That will give you a level 1 rating. 6 books will give you a level 2 rating. 9 books level 3, and 12 or more books level 4. So we're going to start off with our if statement here. Equals if, open your bracket, select the cell that you want to test, in this case C2, and I like working my way from the top down, so I'm going to start with the greater than equals to 12 section. So I'm using this section over here. So I'm going to test to see whether C2 is greater than or equals to 12, comma. If it is greater than equals to 12, then this person is on a level 4. Okay. Now usually at this point in a normal if statement or simple if statement, we'll just say comma, and we would put in the value if that statement was false. But we still have 3 more values to deal with. So we actually now need to insert another if statement. So we're going to, instead of putting in a value for false, we're going to add another if, open bracket, and we're going to do our next test. Okay, so now we're going to test the same cell, but now I'm going to test to see whether it's 9 books or more, so greater than equals to 9. If it is, then they're on level 3. Okay, and now we still have 2 more values to complete, so we need one more if statement here. Okay, and now we're going to test to see whether it's greater than or equals to 6, because that's our next level, comma. If it is, then they're on level 2. Okay, and the last part now, the only one that's left is level 1. So we don't need to add yet another condition here. We can just type in, okay, if none of the preceding ones are true, then they must be level 1. It's important to close all your brackets, although Microsoft Office will probably warn you if you haven't closed all your brackets, and then just press enter, and then you can use your autofill function to copy that function down.